Hey folks, welcome again to smartmoney.com. Henry here. So just a quick update on ThornCoin. So in my previous video, I just showed you how I basically stake I think half of my coins, my Thorn coins that I had. So in this case, it's just an update of where I'm at. So as you can see here, I started with 94 Thorn coins. So my balance after the staking. So I used 50 Thorn coins to do my staking, and yeah, it's 95.4. So I basically got 1.4 Thorn coins. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna stake the others of the full amount. So how it works is you basically have it's basically locked in your ThornCoin for 7 days, which is pretty good, and that's the amount you will earn. I used the calculator in the previous video to show you how it's calculated, but here it is. So what then happened is, here is you see I started on the 5th of Feb. This was the amount, so just half of it. I just wanted to test and see what it's doing. So I earned 1.4 ThornCoin, and the date it was released. So here you see the status as released. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do the same again. I'm gonna do the same again, but this time I'm going in the maximum amount. So I'm gonna stack everything and then see. So in here I can just click max, right? So it gives me 95.4. Alright, another robot, and then I'm gonna hit place stake. So what it is, basically it's just a way to earn more ThornCoin. So they will be releasing ThornCoin on the exchanges shortly, and they reckon that they estimated that they will come in at about $8. So I purchased mine at 120, and obviously if it loads at $8, I can then convert this back to Bitcoin and get the money out of here. Right, so I'm gonna say place my stake. Alright, so there you can see, so on the 14th, on Valentine's Day, I went up with 95.4, and on the 21st it will be released. At the moment you see here it says pending. You see that? So there it's pending. So once it's ready and they've done what they needed to do in the background, that'll obviously go to staking, active staking. So that's my active. So literally just waiting and see. I'll give you an update on when it's successfully, or when it's active in there. So that's when I'll give you another update, and just to show you the progress of it. Right, so as always guys, if you're interested, check it out, look into it, and do your due diligence to make sure that you're happy with it. If you're interested, come on board. If not, I'm looking at other programs as well to basically let people know which programs I'm involved with, and if they're interested. For me, it's all about generating passive income, and there's loads of programs out there that you can do. It's just a matter of, you know, exploring the markets, check them out, and then see how that if it suits your budget or and if it suits your style of investment. So again guys, thanks for watching, and as always, please like and subscribe for future updates, and I will get back to you with some more videos. Again, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks again, and as always, be smart with your money today. Have a better tomorrow. Thanks again. Have a good one.